Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel Program World. So today's lecture is on internal function of Java program. In previous lecture, we have learned about the first program, like how to compile and run the first Java program. Now here we are going to learn what happens while compiling and also running the Java program. Moreover, we will see some question based on the first program too. Now, see here at compile time. Compile time, just compilation means it converts high level language into the machine level language, right? Machine code. So similar way, compile time in the sense it converts the Java code into the byte code. We know that Java is a high level language. Here Java code would be converted into the byte code. So when you compile the Java file, then the compiler creates a class file. This class file will have a class name which has a bytecode. Now let me explain you with the example. Suppose you have created some file with the name simple, and when you compile it, that compiler will create a .class file, and that class file will be created with the name. In a sense, if you think class name is simple, it will create with that simple.class name will be created. And this simple dot class, it contains the bytecodes. So bytecode is a specialized set of instructions that the JVM Java virtual machine could read. Thus, this class file consisting of the bytecode can be transported to the other system irrespective of the operating system it has, and could be executed comfortably without any issue. This is what makes a Java a portable language. So because of the same reason too, Java is also known as popularly write once and run anywhere language. Because of that reason, it is also called as that. At runtime. So internal working during runtime. Here this following operation takes place. So during run or execution time, what happens? These operations are performed within the JVM, right? Now the class loader loads the .class files containing the bytecode to the memory. Next, this bytecode is verified and checked for any errors or bugs which may result in program exhibiting anomalous behavior. Okay, and then this interpreter reads the byte stream, then it executes the instruction. And next come runtime. Runtime in the sense what when the programs runs, if there are, we'll say runtime errors and all, right? So if any errors are there, that would come. So that is called as a runtime environment, and the hardware is something we get the output finally. Next, coming to, as I said, we'll be seeing some questions, right? So can you save a Java source file by other name than the class name? First, understand the question. Java source file. This is a Java source file. Can you save that with other than the class name? Here, class name is simple, right? The question is saying that this file name, can you save instead of simple.java like hard.java? Here hard.java is there, right? Instead of simple.java, here the hard.java is present. So can you save in this way? This is a question. Yes, you can save. Why? Let me tell you. If you see the program clearly, this is class name followed by the class name simple. When compiler compiles it hard.java source file, it gives a bytecode. Nothing but the class is generated with the class name simple, and it has some bytecodes. How you will do compilation? Java C hard.java. Hard we given, so hard.java. C is a compilation. How to execute? Here it gave this file compilation. Execute you will do with Java simple. This is a class name. So it will give class name. You will execute with that like Java simple. Now let me tell you, this is true. If you give before compiler any name also, it gives class names, and if you compile, there would be no error, because this class is not public. It is not under public class. If you have here public, like public class simple, if you have in that way, surely you'll get one error, and that error would be public class, like one error. It would depict in that way. So then what happens, what mistake you have done is you give you saved with some other name other than public class name. You saved as your wish or any other class name you saved. That will result in an error. So when this class is public, surely you have to save with that simple.java. As here it is not public class, we can save with some our wish whatever name, then it gives class name as usual. Okay, and that's it, this question. Next, coming to, can you have multiple classes in a Java source file? It is saying multiple classes in Java source file. Suppose you take this source file, can you have multiple classes? Here, what are there? Three classes are there. See, class followed by class name, right? Class name A, B, C. Three classes are there. So this picture itself, it's saying that we can have multiple classes in a Java source file. When you compile, it creates a class file with the class name having the bytecodes. So if you compile, see, a class name dot class file, this file will be created. B class name dot class file will be created. C similar way, C dot class file will be created. In such a way, it will be created. So when how we will do compilation? Java C that file name dot what here, no public, right? So you can compile like java c dot java c some name. If you keep what do you want to keep, suppose if you keep soft, let us keep soft here. So java c soft dot java, then compilation do, you will get a b c dot classes and all. Now how to execute, how will you execute this? You will execute in the way, right? Java space class name a, Java space, if you want this. Next, if you want this, like Java space B. Next is Java space C. You will get result, output here. If it is so on under A, if you think hello world, it will depict hello world. Okay. Hello earth. In a similar way, whatever code is present, it will give that out. That's it. So the answer for this question is yes, you can have multiple classes in a Java source file. So that's it for today. These are some fundamentals regarding internal functions of the programming in Java. That's it, guys, for today. Thank you for watching this video. Please do like, share, and subscribe. Do not forget to click the bell icon for more channel updates. Please keep supporting us as this is a new channel program named Program World. And if you have any queries also, you can comment us and join us on Telegram channel. Please click the bell icon too for more updates. Stay tuned with us, and the upcoming video would be on differences between JRE, JDK and also JVM. So see the next video too. Thanks for watching this video.